In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Soundtrap sound good. We're focusing on 3 simple habits that make the biggest difference. Capture a clean performance, record without effects, and turn on low latency monitoring. Do these and your mixes will instantly sound clearer, punchier, and more professional. First, start with a clean recording. You can't fix a bad capture later, so this is where most of your effort should go. Use wired headphones instead of Bluetooth. Bluetooth adds delay and can leak sound back into your mic, which creates phasey or echoey takes. Place your mic about 6 to 8 inches from your mouth. If you have a pop filter, use it and angle the mic slightly off axis to reduce harsh S sounds and plosives. Record in the quietest room you have. Turn off fans, air conditioning, and anything that hums or rattles. Soft furnishings like curtains or a hanging blanket behind you can help tame reflections. Set your input gain so your loudest moments peak around -6 to -10 dB on Soundtrap's meter. This gives you healthy volume without clipping. Do a quick test take, listen back on your headphones, and check for background noise, mouth clicks, or distortion. Adjust your distance or gain before committing to the real take. Next, turn off effects while recording. Reverb, delay, and heavy pitch correction can smear your timing, create extra echo in your headphones, and make it harder to judge pitch and articulation. Record your voice or instrument dry. In Soundtrap, make sure track effects like reverb, delay, and auto-tune are bypassed or disabled during the take. You'll add any polish later when you can make better decisions in context. A clean, dry take is easier to edit, align, and mix, and it keeps your performance honest and tight. Finally, use low latency monitoring. In Soundtrap, go to Settings, then Audio, and turn on low latency monitoring. This reduces the time between what you play or sing and what you hear back in your headphones, which helps with timing and confidence. If your computer struggles, close other apps to free up resources. The goal is for your monitored signal to feel immediate, without a distracting slapback delay. To recap, prioritize a clean recording with proper mic placement and levels, record dry with all effects off, and enable low latency monitoring. Follow these habits every session, and your tracks in Soundtrap will sound better before you even start mixing.